Hi, welcome back. I promised a part two of this drawing that I'm making on Photoshop. Uh, it's all digital, so I'm going to continue this big smash panel, and let's get through this. So this is Juniper. He's jumping down at Claventius. This is a throwdown between two characters that fight in the first graphic novel. You don't get to see the fight though, only that they clash. So in part two, in this new graphic novel that I'm working on, he's fighting him. So they are fighting for real, and I'm going to make the fight a bit longer through a couple of pages. This is a big fight, so Juniper is jumping down to a big battle. It's going to be a lot of people beneath him, and it's a surprise attack, and Claventius is not expecting him to be there. They have a connection, these two guys. It's not clear what. They feel that they have it, and they know they have it, and they know they are destined to fight. So of course Juniper now jumping he's closest to us, to the camera, you can say, if this were a movie or a photo. So he should be darker. Of course when I color him he will be much more darker, so you will see the whole battle beneath him, and Claventius will be clearer than everybody else. And this will be adjusted with colors, of course. This is a rule when you're drawing or taking photos. What you want to be seen should be clearer than everything else. Everything else should be almost the same color. I will be continuing this later on, because I know I'm not sure which kind of a battle this is. I know the battle, but I don't know how everybody's going to look, soldiers or whoever they are fighting. So I will continue this when I have a design for it, and I will continue with the whole battle beneath Juniper, and of course continue the whole fight here with you guys. We will get through this together. So this is the next the follow-up graphic novel that I'm working on, and this is how I do it. So follow and like, and continue supporting, please. I'm thankful for this, and see you sooner than later.